In any accident case, there are several different aspects and phases to the case that you need to be prepared for and anticipate. And it starts with day one, minute one following the accident. And that's the intake phase. In the intake phase, it's important for us to meet with you as soon as possible following the car crash so that we can obtain from you, number one, the police report from whatever police agency was out there and documented evidence of the scene. Number two, so we can get pictures of the physical damage to both your car and to your bodies. And number three, so that we can get all of the insurance information applicable to the case. We need to get the insurance information of the person that hit you, and we need to get your insurance information so we can start processing benefits under PIP, Personal Injury Protection, your no-fault insurance benefits. The second phase of your case really involves you and your doctor, and that's why it's so important to treat with a doctor who handles car crash victims and car crash cases. The typical treatment is going to last for 2 to 3 months depending on the severity of your injuries. And every time you go to that doctor's office, they're going to be documenting your pain complaints, where it hurts, what they do to help that pain, and your reaction to that treatment. That documentation is critical, and the insurance companies will carefully scrutinize that later on in your case, either when we're attempting to negotiate a settlement or when we filed a lawsuit and we're in litigation. Once you have finished treatment and you reach what is called MMI, Maximum Medical Improvement, your doctor will forward to us a comprehensive final narrative outlining all of your treatment and your injuries and what was done for the same. At that point, we prepare and send out a comprehensive demand package that outlines fault for the accident, all of your treatment, your injuries and your medical bills, your future medical expenses, and your pain and suffering. At that point, typically within 30 to 60 days, we have what we know is going to be the final offer from the insurance company to settle that case prior to a lawsuit being filed. And at that point, we will have a frank and honest discussion with you about what your best alternative is. It may be that you need to file a lawsuit to obtain justice, but the truth is that most car crash cases do settle before a lawsuit is ever filed, and you, the victim, are usually, and I say usually in the sense that every case is different, usually you are better off settling the case pre-suit. But every case is unique, and it's important to have a lawyer who has trial experience and who the insurance companies know will try a case if necessary. And that's where I think our firm has an outstanding reputation and can offer an outstanding service to you. We have a trial reputation, but we also have a reputation for being reasonable and in working efficiently to get cases resolved. And that reputation amongst the insurance companies makes us a respected name and adds value to your case. And if you're going to consider any attorney, you should consider if that attorney is assessing all your options, not just if they're going to push a case a certain way towards settlement or trial, but what's the best option for you.